Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Canon all-in-one wireless printer. Here's the model number right here, PIXMATS3122. It has mobile device printing, wireless connection. It's a printer, a copier, and a scanner. Here's the ink cartridge compatibility. It's included right here was a black and a color. 243 black, 244 color. Standard, it says 245 black, 246 color. And high capacity is a 245 black, 246 color, extra large. Best value is what it says. Here's the wireless print forms. You can print wirelessly from your computer, from your tablet, from your phone, or from your camera. We picked this up on Black Friday for $25. For $19, and right now it's on sale, I believe, for $35. It's normally $46. So let's open it up and see what it comes with. We have the Getting Started Owner's Manual. I'll read through that and set it up, and I'll walk you guys through how I set it up and how we print wirelessly through the phone. We also have the power supply, the color ink cartridge, and the black ink cartridge. Let me pull this out and see what we have. Also in it is some more booklets and paperwork. Let's see what they are. Some photo paper, little sample packet here. The CD-ROM setup guide. Some more stuff by Canon. Safety precautions. And the limited warranty. Here is the scanner and the copier right here. You'll load your paper in through here, and it'll come out through here. So I'm going to take all the plastic off. I'm going to load it with paper. I'm going to power it up, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like, guys. Okay, so now we've took out all the plastic. Let me scoot back a little bit. We're looking at the front of the printers. You see this orange thing right here. We're gonna pull this out first, and to pull it out, when you pull it out, you kind of tilt it with the back and come out this way. The color goes on the left and the black goes on the right, and this is the way it goes in. This little thing right here with all these go towards the back, and this goes on the bottom. and they kind of slide in at an angle with this part facing down. See the angle? That's how it goes in, and you'll hear it snap in when it's ready. Now we're ready to plug in the power. We have this here, and this goes plugged in to those two little holes right there. So all you simply do, make sure it's straight, and push it in. Okay, here's the paper installation. When you first get your printer, you're gonna see this paper guide right here. You're gonna have to slide the paper guide all the way to the left before you install your paper. Now if that guide's to the left, you can install your paper with the paper all the way to the right side. Just like that. Alright, so we're all powered up. It took us about 15 minutes to get it all set up once we walked through all the directions. What you do is if you have a QR scanner, you scan this right here and it'll direct you to an app for the printer in the App Store. If not, just go to your App Store and search for Canon Printer. Now that we did that and got everything set up, we now have our printer connected to the network. As you can see right there, it shows us that we're connected to the network. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little difficult. It took us a couple tries to get it connected to the network. But now we got it connected to the network. We have our one test paper that we have here. It's photo paper. We're gonna try to print out a picture. So my wife has a picture. She's gonna push print. And this is all done through her cell phone. She now hit print on her cell phone. That's a print. That's a picture we're printing. They pulled the paper through. And we'll see what it does. This is good for any kind of Bluetooth device that you have, or any device that you have connected to your network. It's working, it's printing. We'll see how long it takes to print out this picture. We'll see what happens. There's the picture coming out of the bottom. And there's our picture. Me, my wife, and my son. Check it out. Came out pretty good. The picture looks nice. Not too bad. Not too bad. For $20, I think we could live with it. Any of the quality. Looks pretty good. We'll set this up for maybe some Cricut printable vinyl paper and see what it does with that. And if you want, you also get you one of these cables that plug in to, where am I at? That has one of these, that kind of connection on this end, and on the other end it's just a USB connection. I'll run that to the back of the computer, and we'll have our printer set up to our computer as well. $20. Not too bad. Give it a shot. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.